This task we need to create an inventory under this directory and then playbook as well. So the playbook needs to install a zip package in all observers. If you get into this directory, if you do ls, you don't have anything here. Let's create an inventory and just paste this stuff. I've explained this thing how to do this in other videos. Please have a look on that. So once you do this, now run the command ansible all -i inventory and then -m module. So I'm going to use ping module. So here we are checking the connectivity, so that looks good. Now create a playbook dot yml. All of our observers based on CentOS. Either you can use m or dnf module. So if you go to another terminal, let's SSH into one of the app servers. It's I am man. Okay, we are in now. If you run zip command, it says command not found. So once we create a playbook, so you can type this one playbook. You can name it anything. The name, install packages. So try to type these because it helps you to practice tasks. And okay, we need to become a root user. So type become yes because we are installing something in the at system level. So we have to be root. Tasks hyphen name. You can name it anything. It's just install zip. And here I'm gonna use dnf package or m package. You can use any one of them. dnf. So if you don't know how to do this, just type ansible m. Okay, we can use dnf. It's redirects. If you scroll down, see you need to have name and state. So dnf and then name, that's a zip package, and then state present. Get this, paste it, and now run the command and hyphen playbook and then inventory and the playbook name. Now it's gonna install zip on all app servers. And before running it, we need to make sure that these files owned by Thor, so that way he can run it. I'll show you that as well. It seems failed, but it's installed in 193. If you run zip command again, here you can see, but let's rerun it because we have to install on all app servers. So this one seems failed. Second one. Now it's installed in all app servers. So before running this playbook, if you run the command ls-l, you can see who owns these files. So that looks good. That's why we were able to run as a Thor user. So if we check the task results now, it's successful. Thank you so much for watching.